Nature's treasures, the wonderful animals in the forest. Forests are among Earth's most vibrant and diverse ecosystems, serving as sanctuaries for countless species that have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in these green kingdoms. From the towering canopies of tropical rainforests to the quiet understories of temperate woodlands, these natural treasures harbor an extraordinary array of wildlife, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of forest life. The animals that call forests home represent some of nature's most fascinating examples of evolution, survival, and ecological interconnection. The architects of the forest floor. The forest floor bustles with activity from creatures both large and small. Among the most charismatic inhabitants are the various species of bears that lumber through woodlands worldwide. Black bears in North America demonstrate remarkable intelligence and adaptability, using their powerful claws to strip bark from trees in search of insects and their excellent memories to locate seasonal food sources. These omnivores play a vital role in seed dispersal, carrying fruits and nuts across vast distances as they forage. Wild boars root through the forest floor across Europe, Asia, and parts of North America, their powerful snouts turning over soil and fallen leaves in search of roots, fungi, and small animals. Despite their somewhat fearsome appearance, these intelligent animals are essential ecosystem engineers, aerating soil and creating microhabitats that benefit countless other species. Their wallowing creates small wetlands that provide water sources for other forest dwellers during dry periods. Smaller mammals like shrews scurry through the leaf litter with incredible energy, their rapid metabolisms requiring them to eat almost constantly. These tiny predators consume vast quantities of insects, worms, and other invertebrates, helping control populations that might otherwise damage forest vegetation. Their high-pitched echolocation calls, inaudible to human ears, help them navigate through the complex three-dimensional maze of roots, logs, and vegetation on the forest floor. Masters of the canopy. High above the forest floor, an entirely different world exists in the canopy, where specialized animals have evolved remarkable adaptations for life among the treetops. Squirrels represent perhaps the most familiar arboreal mammals, their bushy tails serving as both balance aids and communication tools as they leap between branches with seemingly impossible precision. Flying squirrels take arboreal living to the next level, gliding gracefully between trees using stretched membranes of skin, their large eyes perfectly adapted for nighttime navigation through the forest's upper reaches. In tropical forests, primates showcase some of the most sophisticated adaptations for canopy life. Howler monkeys announce their territorial claims with calls that can be heard for miles, their enlarged throat sacs amplifying their voices across the forest. Spider monkeys use their incredibly long limbs and prehensile tails as virtual fifth hands, swinging through the canopy with acrobatic grace, while their large brains help them remember the locations of fruiting trees across vast territories. Sloths represent a completely different approach to canopy living, their slow movements and algae-covered fur providing perfect camouflage among the leaves. These remarkable animals host entire ecosystems in their fur, supporting species of moths, beetles, and algae found nowhere else. Their extremely slow metabolism allows them to survive on a diet of leaves that would be insufficient for most other mammals of their size. The nighttime symphony. As daylight fades, forests transform into entirely different ecosystems dominated by nocturnal specialists. Owls reign as silent predators of the night, their asymmetrically placed ears providing precise three-dimensional hearing that allows them to locate prey in complete darkness. The soft, fringed edges of their flight feathers eliminate sound, making them nearly invisible to both prey and potential threats. Great horned owls demonstrate remarkable adaptability, thriving in forests from the Arctic to the tropics, and taking prey ranging from insects to small deer. Bats fill the nighttime skies of forests worldwide, their sophisticated echolocation systems allowing them to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. Some species specialize in catching insects on the wing, while others hover delicately to pluck spiders from their webs or even wade into streams to catch fish. Fruit bats in tropical forests serve as crucial pollinators and seed dispersers, their nighttime flights connecting distant forest patches and maintaining genetic diversity among plant populations. Raccoons emerge after dark to explore every nook and cranny of the forest, their incredibly sensitive hands capable of manipulating objects with almost human-like dexterity. These intelligent omnivores demonstrate remarkable problem-solving abilities and have been observed washing food and using tools, behaviors that highlight the complex cognitive abilities that can evolve in forest environments. Feathered jewels of the forest. Birds bring both beauty and ecological function to forest ecosystems, their songs filling the air with complex communications about territory, mating, and danger. Woodpeckers serve as forest architects, their powerful beaks creating cavities that are later used by dozens of other species for nesting and shelter. The rhythmic drumming of these birds not only helps them locate insect prey within dead wood, but also serves as long-distance communication across the forest. Forest songbirds like thrushes, warblers, and wrens have evolved incredible vocal abilities, with some species capable of producing hundreds of different song variations. These complex vocalizations serve multiple purposes, from attracting mates to defending territories and coordinating group activities. Many species demonstrate remarkable migration abilities, using forests as critical stopover points during journeys that can span continents. Raptors like hawks and eagles patrol forest edges and clearings, their keen eyesight allowing them to spot prey from incredible distances. These apex predators help maintain the balance of forest ecosystems by controlling populations of small mammals and birds, preventing any single species from becoming too numerous and disrupting the ecological balance. The hidden world of forest reptiles and amphibians. Forests provide ideal habitats for numerous reptiles and amphibians, many of which remain largely hidden from casual observers. Salamanders thrive in the moist conditions of forest floors, some species never developing lungs and instead breathing entirely through their permeable skin. These amphibians serve as both predators of small invertebrates and prey for larger forest animals, forming crucial links in forest food webs. Forest snakes demonstrate remarkable diversity in hunting strategies and habitat preferences. Some species, like rat snakes, are excellent climbers that hunt birds and small mammals in the canopy, while others, like earth snakes, spend most of their lives underground hunting earthworms and other soil-dwelling creatures. Venomous species like timber rattlesnakes play important roles as apex predators of small mammals, their heat-sensing abilities allowing them to hunt effectively in the dim light of forest understories. Lizards in forested regions often show remarkable camouflage abilities, with many species capable of changing color or having evolved body patterns that perfectly match the bark, leaves, or lichen of their preferred microhabitats. These reptiles help control insect populations while serving as important prey species for birds, mammals, and other reptiles. Ecosystem engineers and keystone species. Certain forest animals have impacts on their ecosystems that far exceed what their numbers might suggest. Beavers, where they occur, transform entire forest watersheds through their dam-building activities, creating wetlands that support hundreds of other species. These industrious rodents fell trees not just for construction materials, but also for food, their selective harvesting creating forest openings that allow different plant species to establish and thrive. Large herbivores like deer, elk, and moose shape forest structure through their browsing patterns, preventing some areas from becoming too densely forested while creating the mosaic of habitats that support maximum biodiversity. However, these species require careful management, as their populations can grow large enough to prevent forest regeneration if not controlled by predators or hunting. Predators like wolves, mountain lions, and lynx serve as keystone species in forest ecosystems, their hunting activities creating what ecologists call landscapes of fear that influence the behavior and distribution of prey species. This predation pressure prevents overgrazing and allows forests to maintain their natural structure and diversity. Adaptations for forest life. The animals that thrive in forest environments have evolved remarkable adaptations for life in these complex, three-dimensional habitats. Many species demonstrate enhanced spatial memory, allowing them to navigate through forests that can look very similar from one area to another. Some animals, like Clark's nutcracker, can remember the locations of thousands of seed caches buried throughout vast forest landscapes. Camouflage reaches extraordinary levels in forest animals, from the bark-like patterns of certain moths to the leaf-like appearance of some katydids. Many forest mammals have developed earth-toned fur that helps them blend with the dappled light and shadow of forest floors, while others use their coloration to break up their body outline among the vertical lines of tree trunks. Conservation challenges and hope. Forest animals face unprecedented challenges from habitat loss, climate change, and human encroachment. However, success stories in forest conservation demonstrate that dedicated efforts can help these remarkable creatures survive and thrive. The recovery of species like the gray wolf in Yellowstone and the brown bear in European forests shows that large predators can coexist with human activities when proper management strategies are implemented. Conclusion. The wonderful animals of the forest represent millions of years of evolutionary adaptation to life in these complex ecosystems. From the tiniest shrews to the mightiest bears, each species plays a vital role in maintaining the health and balance of forest communities. As we face growing environmental challenges, protecting these natural treasures becomes not just a matter of preserving beautiful wildlife, but of maintaining the ecological services that forests provide to all life on Earth. The future of our planet's forests and the remarkable animals they harbor depends on our continued commitment to understanding, appreciating, and protecting these irreplaceable natural communities. Through careful stewardship and sustainable practices, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at nature's treasures hidden within the world's forests.